talk amongst themselves, but not within the court of law. Now, many might bash persons for not giving information to the police. But if you don't live in here, you will never know the reality of it. It is not easy, as everyone knows each other here, and many persons rather to live than to die, because he or she is a witness. Many persons simply have nowhere else to go, and many young men here have never been to Half a Tree, much less the wider diaspora. So basically them I say, yo, if you're not living there and understand how the place run, you can't really give a good assessment of persons living in there, stating that them should have give information to the police for bring the crime and violence under control. So let me continue. Now, this ongoing friction is all between friends. I've never seen friends so eager to slap away each other, and I don't think it happened anywhere else in Jamaica on this level. The level of brazenness these guys in Denham town have. These guys will be friends today and straight knockings tomorrow at each other, and then a month time down the line, them call peace after slapping away countless amounts of friends. There's a big cover-up in West Kingston, it seems. Police and soldiers are literally posted everywhere, every lane in Denham town, Midtown and other sections of the community. But yet still, there's a frequent number of knockings and loss of life within the zones of special operation. But it seems the government is afraid to talk. The zone of special operation has failed tremendously in Denham town. And if the MP wish to be fair in his talking or speech, he can do just so, because he knows that the zones of special operation is not helping none at all. Now the person went on to say, I don't wish death on anyone because I've seen it all before and the pain and grief it brings. But in Western Kingston, if your life is taken today, people just continue them regular routine tomorrow. It is not even a 9-day attack again, because as you'll get slapped so, a man just continue coming like you're not even did ban. Yeah man, may I tell my peeps. So there is another party tomorrow. There will be another retaliation tomorrow. And of course, the cycle of violence continues. Denham town is where the problem is, and not in Tivoli, because Tivoli is still under the government type of system, meaning say the court them still are run down at Tivoli under tight grips. Yeah man, so Tivoli is still basically under the law of the Coke family. So Tivoli people still get to enjoy the freedom they used to, even when it is all over the media that Tivoli and Denham town is at it. You know why? Because Denham town is where all the knockings are happen. No knockings not really happen down in a Tivoli, because nobody can breach the security in a Tivoli fi go down there, fi go carry out no knockings or no clappings pa nobody. So Tivoli people basically still enjoy the regular partying, the regular this and the regular that down there. So the Tivoli youths them basically are going hold for them ends a certain type of way, whilst all the knockings are going in a Denham town. So Denham town youths them are clap with each other every day over simple domestic dispute, whilst in Tivoli the matter would have been quashed by the era leaders. So knowing most of these crime perpetrators, it makes me wonder if someone with power and authority is financing these youngsters with the whole heap of tall up them and shut up them, and the whole heap of can where them have fair beat out of them clappings there. Yeah man, because most of them still depend on their relatives for clothing and food. So basic amenities, them money we are run up and down with the tall up cannot afford for themselves. It is hard to see where they get these whole lot of ammunitions from. Come on, writer. But anyway, let me continue. There is a war in Denham town. It's between Denham town and Denham town, not Tivoli. So now, most guys in Denham Town still believe in the system that was put in place by Dodos, and some oppose it. So this is where the war is. Guys in Denham Town that support the coke system are referred to as Godman, even though they are born and reside in Denham Town. But on the other hand, guys in Denham Town that oppose the system fire at guys that are willing to work with the coke system. Note, in mind, most of these men are born in Denham Town, and this is where the ongoing cycle, both sides clapping with each other every day for who is among Dodo's system and who is willing to work with it. Men that are working with Tivoli system are allowed to go into Tivoli community if they wish, while men on the opposing side cannot enter, and this is where the Tivoli versus Denham Town war comes from. But most of the Denham Town youths hurting each other and they don't realize. So basically the person I say, yo, the war are not necessarily between Tivoli man them and Denham Town man them. It's between a set of man from Denham Town who oppose the coke system and another set of man from Denham Town who willing for work with it. So the person continues saying that Denham Town is where the crime plan need to be and not in Tivoli, because if you check the amount of people die on Tivoli grounds, I don't think it's 15 persons, but inside the community of Denham Town, it is countless. Yeah man, may I tell my peeps, since 2010, the person said check the amount of casualties, life or loss from in the Denham Town era versus life or loss in a Tivoli by gun violence. So that is the end of the reading. The person come with some valid points still, me nah go lie. Yeah man, them shed some light upon what really are going on, because one would think says actually man from Tivoli I deal with the knockings and the clappings for the most part. Yesterday, them say was an isolated incident where Son deal with the knockings and the clappings of Blue from over, or better yet, behind the walls of Tivoli courts. So basically, that is it. So my peeps, wanna listen for yourself, wanna get a full understanding now. Let me hear from you down in the comment section. So remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as we continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscasts. On The Spot News Media. Yeah man.